What it do, what it do, what it do. The man, the myth, the legend, the $1 million man with the $1 million plan. We are live. Breathe it in, people. Breathe it in, breathe it in, breathe it in. That is what winning smells like. That's right. That's exactly the sound, the smell, and the feel of what it's like to be a winner. Welcome to the #1 day trading channel on YouTube. We are back from Costa Rica. Had a little fun, drank some cervezas, had some tacos, had some burritos. I actually did not have burritos or tacos, to be honest. I had a steak. I had a few steaks, actually. I got gypped. Actually, I kind of wanted some tacos, to be honest. I never had some tacos. Good morning, good morning. Any surfing? No surfing, just fishing. We were on a boat all day, all day fishing. So, what a time to be alive. We got a lot of stuff going on. Bitcoin making a big move since I've been gone. Good thing daddy's long, you know. Good thing. Right now, pulling back, part of the game. You know, you get these big moves up, the pullback. So, right now, Bitcoin pulling back here after making all-time highs up there to almost 90,000. I think we got like right to 89, like 99, like, yeah, 89, 90, 933. So pretty fucking close. Pretty fucking close, but no cigar, no cigar. Yeah, 80,000, 979, a high. Wow, what a time to be alive. Just like we talked about last night on the stream, when you really kind of zoom out here and you look, you know, when you look at the Bitcoin chart, it's crazy to see, but kind of the same idea as the overall market. The market moves in waves. Bitcoin moves in waves, the pushes, the pullbacks. And right now, pulling back here. We'll see how that affects the overall market. I feel like the NASDAQ's definitely been following Bitcoin. At least yesterday, overnight, the market was just kind of following Bitcoin there. Ooh, buddy. Ooh, buddy, buddy, buddy. We're back. We're back. Hey, we're back. We got two cars back. Got the Lambo, got the McLaren. I got so much money that there's just money sitting behind me. I got money just sitting. Just right, but look at that. It's just money sitting behind me. Well, that's right. Absolutely beautiful. Let's pull up the NASDAQ here. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. What y'all been doing since I've been gone? What do you guys do when I don't go live on YouTube? Do you guys watch other live streams? Like, what do you guys do when I'm not here? Anybody? What you got? What you all doing when I'm not around? I always think about that. Get liquidated? You watch rips? Oh no! Lose money? Watch Nutty Bar? Trade alone? Cry? Watch my tweets. My tweets have been on fire. If you're ever bored and you want to laugh, just check out my Twitter. It is fucking comedy. It is fucking comedy, I'll tell you that. It's hilarious. You can't make this shit up. Need a tweet. Need a tweet here. Got to put my tweet out. We're back, baby. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, you know what to do. Blow it up. Bam, 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 bam. All right, the tweeter have been posted. Right now, NASDAQ pulling back here. Pulling back here into the VWAP, the yellow line on the chart. Had a little bit of a bull flag there earlier off that 21 EMA. If we look at the bigger picture time, what do we got? Well, we clearly got this going on. So if you're looking for those longs, pretty much longs above this breakout. But as of right now, no reason to get long here, right? Hey, you like that? No reason to get long right here, right now. We do have the all-time high up here, 21,346 is. What have I missed? I missed the FOMC day and all of that fun stuff. Yesterday, or Thursday last week, big moves. Friday. Even yesterday, some fun moves in the market. So, should be a lot of volatility going into November, December. It's the end of the year. It's time to make some money. Everybody wants to buy some Christmas presents. Everybody's buying Bitcoin. They're trading. They're getting long. They're trying everything right now. So, right now, let's see what happens. Nasdaq right now holding up here at the VWAP. Got this kind of downward trend. And a little double bottom down here. 21,120s holding up there. 21,120s. We will see what kind of momentum we get here in the market today. Got a little bit of news going on. We're bouncing off the VWAP right now. 21,200. We got 9 minutes till market opens, baby. Patrick, what's the word? Most entertaining trader on YouTube. You're coming for me. Hey, everybody's coming for me, baby. Everybody's coming for the top spot, but no one's gonna get it. Let's make some money. There we go. $10. Make me holla. Aiden's Basics. Dump day incoming. Okay. We'll find out. I would say this looks like a possibly big old bear flag right here, but pretty much what we'll say 20,200. If we can't hold that level, very good chance that we test the overnight lows down there at the 20,130s. But looking at the hourly chart kind of showing that we ran into that resistance. Ding, ding, ding here, pulling back again. If we lose the VWAP out there at the 21,200, let's see. Daily and hourly are both bull flags. We're in this range right now, so I don't think it's impossible not to pull back and test that range low again. Kind of do another V, you know. From here, do maybe like one of those. I don't know. We're gonna find out either way. Let's see what the chat thinks. Longs, bulls. Where are we going, chat, at today? Let's say, where are we going? Up, down. Up or down? Head and shoulders on the hourly chart. 1, 2, 3. It don't look good right now, but it could get invalidated. If they invalidate this, if the bulls invalidate the head and shoulders, then there's a very good chance that this thing squeezes because everybody's going to be bearish for this possible break of the downside. But if it gets invalidated and we get the breakup, so we'll find out. Just kind of sit back, wait, and watch. Right now, the poll, we got 55% of the chat saying down. We got 44% saying up. All right. The best part, the best part about it is, well, it's up to you. Just place a bet, man. You just gotta see an opportunity and take it. Right now, we are below, I guess we're right here at yesterday's low, or not yesterday's low, sorry. Yesterday's close here. The close there at the 20,220 area, right? So, we got 5 minutes here till market opens. Maybe get a little trap to the downside, then that upward move. Or maybe the trap to the upside. One of these. Which one looks more probable? Right now, holding up there at the VWAP for now. The ES got a little bit of room to the VWAP. Would you do a simple video about your strategy? Yes. For only $200, you can have the most simple video ever made. Christopher Leondon said he bought the course. His win rate is through the roof, 80%. Nice and slow, my friend. Don't get too cocky. That 80% win rate can turn into a 0% win rate very quick. I've been there. You know, I tell people, look, you get a little bit of green on the board. Don't get too cocky. Nothing wrong with just keeping it small. Keep those trades, keep the risk small, build it up. You got no rush. No time. You know, there's no rush. There's no time frame that you have to trade. You don't have to become a millionaire trading today. CFN trader, you bought the course and your win rate dropped and you lost your accounts. Well, luckily there's no refund policy, my friend. Sorry. If you buy the course and you lose all your money, hey, no refunds, baby. Don't be calling me. It's not my problem. Not my problem. By the way, the poll was 55% down, 44% up. Do we fade the chat today? I don't know. What are we thinking? What are we thinking? Market getting real close to open here. 3 minutes till market opens up. Another day, another opportunity to make some money here in the markets. We need the Bitcoin. Bitcoin needs to start ripping. Come on, Bitcoin, give us a move. We need Bitcoin to go above 100,000. So that way ICT deletes his YouTube channel. You've heard it right here. ICT is going to delete his YouTube channel if Bitcoin goes over 100,000. I think it would just be the most amazing thing to happen, right? Bitcoin, 100,000. ICT deletes his YouTube channel. Hallelujah! That would be the best Christmas ever. Best Christmas ever. Oh my God. There would be no better. There is nothing on this planet that I would want more. No amount of money. Nothing that I want more than just the idea of ICT deleting his YouTube channel. That would be the funniest shit I've ever seen in my entire life, and I could just retire at that point, and I would be the #1 trader ever. Right now, NASDAQ holding up here at the VWAP. A little pushback up here. We got that downward trend on the bigger time frames. Ding, ding, ding. So if we can get a push, we want to be careful. This thing could kind of rip up here and then rip back down, but let's look for like a push, bull flag, and then continuation if we get that move to the upside. If we lose the VWAP here, let's say we lose VWAP at open, kind of just playing through the scenarios. Let's say we get stuck here, we pull back, and then we get kind of turn the VWAP into resistance. And we targeting kind of that low from the overnight would be 21,130 down there. For the overnight move, for that push, would be like 248 area to get stuck, or 240s. So less than a minute, it's ready. The NASDAQ right now pumping off the VWAP. Let's make some money, baby. You said no reason to go long, so you went long. Nice. Like I said, this is not financial advice, but hey, you do you, baby. I'm all for it. Right now, we're looking at the 2-minute chart on the NASDAQ. All right, the push. Little push here at open. Pull back here to the VWAP again. Right above that 21 EMA. That pivot point right there is 219 pivot point. Right now up here to the 220s. The ES is going straight up. ES making new highs right now, so Dow trying to break out as well. Will the ES continue? ES pushed up there to the pivot point, pulled back here again. That key level here, 21,200, needs to hold for the bulls. For the bulls. Kind of stuck right now in this opening range. Testing the 200s here. Looking like trouble. Through the VWAP here now. Very indecisive move here. Got the Dow pushing up. NASDAQ sitting right here at the 200s. ES is holding up for now. Breaking to the downside. So like I said, we kind of want to get that like sell and then turn resistance, turn that VWAP into resistance here if we're looking for a move down. And just be a little hesitant of getting short right here, right now. You can see in the bigger time frame, breaking to the downside through the VWAP, down here to the 185s now. If they were gonna trap, this would be the perfect spot to trap at. Like I'm thinking, like if I was gonna trap the shorts, where would be the perfect spot to trap at? It would be right here, right? Like it'd be the perfect spot to trap them. So I don't want to get trapped. Let's like if we get a little push up in here and then we get denied, and then look for that bear flag. Oh, buddy. Back up there to the 21 EMA again here. Nvidia has got a big old gap on the chart. Pulling back right now. Nvidia pulling back here to fill that gap. Nvidia gapped up overnight, so Bitcoin pulling back. NASDAQ holding up here at the 200s for now. Oh, buddy. Got that pivot point right there, 220s, and then we get this breakout level up here at the 230s. So the bulls got some work ahead of them. But like I said, that would be the most perfect spot to trap those shorts down there, wouldn't it? Just be so perfect. That pivot point right there, 220 area, get through it, and then rip up here to the 230s next. There it goes, up there to the 230s now. Good Lord, look at it. All right, so the ES is ripping. NASDAQ's ripping. Will we get this continuation to break out of this downward trend? Up there into the 30s now, 21,230s. Got the overnight high up here, 240, what? 240, 250 area. Man, now look at that. Oh my good Lord. The trap is real, boys. The trap is real. There she goes through the 240s now. This is playing out kind of exactly like we were talking about earlier. This like trap little move there. I told y'all this was the perfect spot to trap those longs pretty much off of that 200 level. I mean, trap the shorts there, sorry. Shorts getting trapped, obviously. Think we get some pullback here. Or to take out that overnight high right here, right now, up there to the 250s. Getting a little overextended here on the 2-minute chart, but we did just break out of this downward trend that we've been forced to stay below most of the overnight. So right now, NASDAQ pushing. The next pivot point is pretty wild because it's all the way up here at the all-time highs, basically. So big ranges. You got, yeah, what? 250, 260, 270, 280s up there. Got the 15-minute range coming up here as well. This pivot point down here at the 220s, right down there at the 21 EMA as well. See if we get a little bull flag up here. Stuck at that 240, the overnight kind of resistance area here. Maybe some more pullback before the juice. Before the juice hits. $21 EMA down there, 212s would be a good spot. Got the ES also kind of stuck up the highs. ES pulling back here. NASDAQ pulling back into that pivot point from earlier. 220 area. Gonna see this, get a bull flag break out of here. Monday's high right here, that 33, 34 area, 340 area for now. Got the 15-minute range about to get set. $21 EMA down there at the 212s. This bull flag is going to get finished like right as that 15-minute range is formed. Get above that 34 area for the breakout here. Pulling back here again to VWAP. Bulls need to bounce it right here, right now. They don't want to get it below the VWAP or it's bad news for the Bulls. Through that 200 level here again, it would definitely cause some selling to come in there, I would believe. Nasdaq just very tight here in this range right now. Just a little opening range. Dow's pushing up, Nasdaq's pulling back. The hourly candle just sitting there for now. Getting stuck there below the 21 EMA. Right at the VWAP now. It's pretty much sandwiched between the VWAP and the 21 EMA. The moment of truth. Got to get back up here like right now. It's got to push. Kind of hold that 200 level support. If not good for the Bulls. Got news coming out here soon as well. 10 o'clock news. Still holding up there at the VWAP. Watching to see if we get this momentum to break out of this downward trend here. If we start to break to the downside, could be some good potential short here below. Take out that overnight low since we have not taken it out yet. Right there at the VWAP. 15-minute range. Opening range here, obviously. The bottom of that candle. So we are right now in the middle of that 15-minute range here. And just holding up. Still holding up there the VWAP. ES pulling back, 21 EMA. Got news coming out. Lordy, lordy. Got a Fed speaker at 10. Nasdaq just holding up there. Like if we get through this 220 area, then get that breakout here. I wish we were closer to the top of this range though, the 15-minute chart. There's a lot going on right here. We got this pivot point here at the 220s. Got the 21 EMA at the 12s. Got this downward fucking thing. You got the VWAP. You got this trend line. Looking a little hectic here. Both the bears and the bulls battling it out here. For now. CPI reports tomorrow morning, by the way. It's on Thursday. Or wait. Tuesday. Wednesday. Forgot what day of the week it is. Okay, just got back to Costa Rica. It's Wednesday. All right, NASDAQ trying to push through here, the pivot point again. Just want to be careful. This is not another false little breakout. If you want to play for the safer bet, you kind of let this thing break out of here, get a little bull flag up into this level, and then get the 15-minute breakout there. Obviously, the 15-minute range now to be focused on. Right there, that pivot point as well. 220 pivot point to get through. Can we get some movement here? Still reacting to that 21 EMA breaking out here now. This would be the breakout. Then you got that 15-minute range high up there at the 240s to get through next. All right. Kind of clearing out some of this resistance. Got to get through 30s there. Obviously to get to the 40s next, but pushing off at 21 EMA again. Up there to the 230s. All right, all right. Nvidia turning up here. The Dow selling off. ES and the NASDAQ getting very tight here. Very, very tight below this 240 level. Above this 240 level, you can see you got the 50-minute breakout. We get up there 250 to after 250, it's like right up here to the 300s next. So bulls come out to play. 15-minute range breaking here. We're about to break the high 241. Yeah, 241 break in there. Can we get some continuation through the 240s next? Ba ba da ba da ba ba. Ba ba da 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 ba ba. Ba 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 da ba da ba ba. Bam ba da ba da ba da boom. Bam ba da ba da ba da boom. Ba da ba 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 da ba 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 ba. Ba ba da ba ba da boom. Ba da boom. Ba da ba boom. Ba da ba da ba da ba boom. Ba da ba boom. Ba da boom. NASDAQ up there to the 240s for now. Right at the 15-minute range again, stuck there. Get this 15-minute range to break out. Holding us down for now. Got 5 minutes until Fed Waller starts speaking, I guess, or whatever he's got to say today. Blah, 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 blah. And a little bit more blah, blah. A lot of blah, blah. NASDAQ at this key level here to push through. Can you take me higher to a place with gold and things? Watching this 240 area here. See if we break out or not. Getting real tight here at the 15-minute range. Get through 240s. Try to push up there towards the 300s next. ES is pushing. NASDAQ's trying to push. Let's get it, boys. Just get this rip right through the 40s here. Through the 50s there next. Up there through the 50s. Let's see if we can go all the way to the 300s here today. Oh, good lord. Taking out that overnight high now. Took out the overnight high. The next level, Monday, kind of where we broke down at 21,300. The high, the over, I guess the high on Monday, 344. So. Trouble. Oof. Right back to that 21 EMA again. NASDAQ just likes to play hard to get sometimes, boys, you know? She likes to play hard to get sometimes. That's what she does. Bow, bow. Back up there, right to the 40s, right off that 21 EMA after breaking out of the 15-minute range. The NVIDIA over there trying to push up. Bitcoin pushing up here. I think that's it's gonna drive the market higher here today, boys. Bitcoin goes higher, NASDAQ goes higher. Bet on it. Good thing I'm long on Bitcoin. Woo-wee! I've been trying to buy some more, actually. Didn't get filled, I don't think. Oh, nope, didn't get filled. No fill. No fill, sir. 240s. Why does NASDAQ always got to do some stupid shit like this, you know? Like, why can't it just go? Like, why can't it just go straight up to the 300s? Just go straight up. Make our lives easy. You know? Make our lives easy, NASDAQ. Come on, make me look good here. Need that 15-minute range breakout up 100 points so then I can post it on Twitter and tell everybody, look, it worked. Because right now, this is not looking good for my Twitter today. If it fails here, everybody's going to be like, Patrick, see, I told you it doesn't work. NASDAQ playing hard to get. Hard to get, NASDAQ. Again, holding up there. Nvidia's making new highs. Dow's pulling back. ES is pulling back. Why? Got that pivot point down here again at the 20s. Got the VWAP 200s again. NASDAQ back to the VWAP here. Bears coming in heavy on that 15-minute range. Holy good Lord. Back to the VWAP now. Right there, the VWAP, again, 200s. Right through 200s, we're going right through that low, probably. Fed Waller. Market did not like whatever fucking Fed Waller is saying. God damn you, Fed Waller. God damn you, Fed Waller. Fed Waller! NASDAQ straight down there to the 200s again. Dropped right below the VWAP there. Will we get this continuation of that 15-minute range bound to that low again, or just hold up here at the 200s one more time? Down there into the 80s, that low from earlier, 15-minute range, 180 for the break. Get below this 180 level. Got that overnight low down there, 120s. Down there to the 180s now. We can just slice through it. Bears pushing it back up here, holding that fucking 180 level once again. That 15-minute range. Market ripping back up off that 180 level again. Look, good lord, look at it, right back up here. That 21,200 pivot point to get through. Look at this reversal right now. We got Fed Waller speaking, so market looks like it's reacting to Fed Waller. Or barking, sorry. Fed barking. Or no, Waller did speak at 10, sorry. Yeah, Waller spoke at 10. Or he is speaking. Or something's happened, I don't know. NASDAQ right off the fucking low again. This is madness. Absolute fucking madness. Absolute fucking madness, boys. I mean, I feel like if we break out here now, we go higher, but... Hamza, I can't watch your stream with the kids because of your swearing. Well, I'm real fucking sorry about that. I'm real fucking sorry about that. Good Lord, NASDAQ. Pulling back here again, 220s. Right there at that pivot point. 21 EMA as well. The Dow's going straight down. Bitcoin's trying to push through here. This is wild. We're just going nowhere, basically. Just basically going nowhere here. Nowhere fast, at least. It's a range day. It's a range day. Five-minute chart right now. Hard to say. Right now, just sitting there at that pivot point. There's a 220 pivot point. We're just sitting right at yesterday's close as well. Yesterday's close and that pivot point right there. So. Holding up at the VWAP again. See if this is like takes us to 260s from here, like ripping out there, but everybody's gonna buy. Sell. Nvidia's making new highs right now. Nasdaq absolutely stuck right here. Absolutely stuck. That little trend line right now acting as resistance up there. Right there, the VWAP again on the Nasdaq in the middle of the 50-minute range. Not much you can really do here. Could go either way, go up or down pretty much. Go up or down. QQQ just kind of stuck in the range. Everything's just stuck here. At that 200 level for now. Looking a little dippy, 200 again. I like that 200 level. We're right here at the VWAP, just chopping at the VWAP for now. Good Lord. Good Lord. Do something. Had a doji there on the 2-minute chart. Doji. Yeah. Here.
Really? No, I thought we put it up there. Thank you.
Ew. Good Lord. Got it from the chair. The market went up. Or something. NASDAQ just continuing to hit that little pivot point right there, 220s. Let's get like fucking out of this range here, man. Breakout here, push out through this range to the 240, 250 area would make sense, right? But right now just sitting below that pivot. Needs to get through 220, 225, 30 area. I mean, I feel like fucking A. Something's got to happen here. Look how tight this thing's getting. We're holding the lows on the ES. Nvidia's making new highs. Bitcoin pulled back. Need to get through like 25s. Get through the 25s and look for some longs here, but right now just stuck at this 20 level. Again, tapping 220 just to get denied right back down. Get it right through here. Break out and finally get this range breakout here. Up there through the 25s now. Gotta get through 30s there. So annoying that we can't just get out of this range. It's hard. It just sucks to trade this fucking range. Literally. We're right back to the VWAP again. The fuck? What in the fuck, man? The market is fucked. CPI report tomorrow morning. Maybe the market's just holding on, but I think at some point we got to break this 15-minute range, right? At some point. At some point, this has to break the range. The ES got stuck at the VWAP. ES pushed up there at 25s, pulled back after hitting that VWAP level. Good Lord, oh Lord, you little Lord. I mean, the good thing to think about is, like, once this range breaks, I would say we should get a nice, nice move outside of that range, but the fact that we just cannot get out of the range right now makes it very difficult. ES took out the lows, popped it back up there. Nelson Rocha. There are hundreds of pivots and VWAPs. Well, if you go on TradingView and you type in pivot points standard, or just pivot points, it'll come up right there. It'll say pivot point standard. That's the name of the indicator. Pivot point standard is what I use. So hopefully that helps. Nasdaq showing some movement here. Got to get through like 33, 34s and then try to get this momentum to the upside, but Dow just continuing to make new lows. Nvidia is just grinding higher. What is happening? Ha-da-da-da-da. Back to that pivot point once again, 220s. Very boring, but right now, I mean, there's just not much to really do here. It just doesn't want to go anywhere. We need momentum. I want to see the market moving, you know, like breaking through levels, looking for pullbacks and bounces and profits and all that. Not just a bunch of candlesticks literally just ranged. Look at the 15-minute chart. Patrick, if you knew what you were doing, you wouldn't sit here watching the range. Damn. That's some real talk right there. I agree with you. I should just turn it off now and walk away, right? Thanks. See y'all later. Just kidding. I mean, what else am I gonna do? I guess I got about 30 minutes here in me. I think 11, you know, maybe by 11 we get something to happen here. You know, it's not over till it's over, you know? Plenty of times I've walked away after the market just chopped for 2 hours straight at open and then come back and the market goes up 100 points. So, you know, you gotta sometimes be willing just to sit here and watch the show. Nvidia almost up there to the 150s now. I mean, we're still holding up that pivot point. We're holding that 21 EMA. So, got a bit of a bear flag, possibly, if we get this. I think right now it's just basically getting back below VWAP would be your... Got to get below VWAP for the shorts, but it's hard to get short up here because this thing could easily just rip up there to the 260s in a matter of seconds, my friends. That's right, a matter of seconds. She's getting real tight. Real tight. That's right. ES is below VWAP right now. We need that ES to get back above the VWAP. VWAP's been acting as a resistance on the ES pretty much all morning. The 21 EMA there as well. So let's see if it can go. Back to the downside here again. 21 EMA coming up. VWAP down there. Holy good lord. Look at how tight this thing's getting, people. I never seen a market so tight. Looking like a hot girl Pilates class. sitting right there at that pivot point. I mean, there are like pivot point, EMA, VWAP, all this shit is just sitting here right now. So I'm just like, what is going to happen? Well, looks like we're trying to pump it up, pump it, pump it, pump it, pump it. Right here. It's got to go. Like, no more bullshit. Get the fuck out of this range already. It just needs to go 240, 250, 260. Go, go, go. Come on, NASDAQ, go. Go, you little cunt. Finally breaking out here, but will there be any continuation? Oh, Lord, no. Right back again. The ES right now is right at the VWAP. Get that ES through the VWAP here. We need ES through the VWAP, NASDAQ through the 40s. Rocket ship, 300 today. 21,300 coming up. It wants to go so badly. Where are all the bulls at? What happened to the bulls? Why won't they just go? Trump's the president, okay? Trump's the president now. Wow. Another failed breakout. Who would have thought? You can see the ES right now. ES is just like real being a pain in the ass with a VWAP on the ES there. NASDAQ straight back down here again. This is wild. It's absolutely wild, I'd say. Got the VWAP down there again at the 20,200s. I mean, I feel like, fuck, now this has got to go down, but I've been wrong, right? We've been wrong before, but it's going to chop again there at the 220s one more time, a little bit longer, you know? VWAP down there, 208 level. NASDAQ really is a cruel bitch sometimes, I swear. She's a cruel, cruel lady. That 220 area, pivot point right there, has just been holding us up. The ES down there below the VWAP. NASDAQ above the VWAP here. Are we bullish or bearish? I mean, I feel like we're more bullish than bearish, but it don't really matter because the market ain't going nowhere. For everybody in the chat that's sitting there talking shit about do I trade or not, I mean, what the fuck do you want me to do right now, people? It's going nowhere. You might as well just fucking flip a coin. I mean, the fuck do you want from me? Patrick, what are you doing? Take a trade. Patrick, what are you doing? I mean, it's not moving. What am I supposed to do? It's not fucking moving. It's literally not moving. What am I supposed to do right now? God. I mean, it's just like, just keeps making this wedge bigger and bigger. Got that VWAP there. I mean, the ES right now is making new lows. Right, so ES is making new lows. NASDAQ's going nowhere. Dow's making new lows. I mean, fuck. Like I think we're gonna sell, right? Now that we get through the VWAP here, sell down. Fuck do I know? I don't fucking know. I just can't. I'm not a tight. I'm not a chop. I'm not a range trader. You know, I'm a momentum trader. So it's just not easy to just simply be like, okay, buy, sell, buy, sell. Look, it's gonna go. Oh, it's going down again. Oh, it's going up again. Oh, buy, get. You know, there's just no trend here. Well, it's just like it's hard to take a breakout trade when you don't have anything going on. There's no thing to trend, but. I do feel like if we start to waterfall here, this could be a nice little move to the downside. Pivot point all the way down there, 21,100s. Just got to get through that 200 level. Bear starting to get some moves here. But this is kind of, we did this earlier, you know, we broke to the downside and then popped right back up, so. People in the chat, they're trying to help me trade this type of action. Guys, it's okay. You don't need to help me. I'm good. I'll be all right. I'll survive, you know? Trust me, you do not have a secret to trading this. Right back up there again. 21,220. We should get, I mean, I feel like 10:50, 11 o'clock, we should get something to happen here, right? Something, baby. My good Lord. Look at this now. Again, denied at the pivot point. ES looking weak. NASDAQ looking weak. Someone's got to win the battle here. The Bears, the Bulls. $1 million question. Back to the VWAP again. Got denied at that pivot point. QQQ right now, just sitting there at the VWAP. This is wild. And again, right back up here again. This market just needs to go, go, go. All right, 1050 about to pop off here. Let's see if something actually happens. Hitting that trend line one more time. I gotta take those trend lines off the chart, holding the market down. Clearly. God. The 10-minute, look at the 10-minute chart. We just opened a new 10-minute candle. And it's just been wick, wick, wicks. Wicks, wicks, wicks. Dude. Come on. Bro. Why? Why? Nasdaq's going absolutely nowhere. Down there to the VWAP once again. Looks like sellers are trying to win the battle here to get this through the 200s again. We have not made a new low on the NASDAQ since market open, while the ES has already made new lows, so. Hard to say. Trapping there below 200 again. Let's see, do we start to move it down here finally? That low from earlier, a little double bottom down there at this 80 level. Looks like they're trapping once again. It's actually amazing. Trying to get away from the VWAP. Will there be any type of continuation? ES is kind of just grinding lower. NASDAQ's wanting to go here. Testing that 90 area. The low from earlier is 79. And then there's a pivot point all the way down there at the 97s. Moment of truth. Will the NASDAQ break through here? 15-minute range to the downside. Hell no, they said. JK. The 15-minute range today. What in the fuck? Got 1 minute left on that 15-minute candle. If they're gonna break through that 79s, they need to do it like right now to get this thing to close below these wicks. Kind of like that, I guess. Uh, 11 o'clock candle coming up here. They're reaching back up, but then just kind of sold it back down. See if we got a little bear flag here now. I think if we lose this 80 support, you know, it's like the overnight low down there at the 130s. It's about a 50-point move down there through this level, but $21 EMAs crossing the VWAP here for the first time in a while. Kind of looking like the last time it dropped through the VWAP here, trying to push back up and then just squeeze back up there again. They gotta, sellers gotta stop that from happening. ES is looking weak. ES is kind of like just grinding lower very slowly while the Nasdaq's like holding on here for dear life. Very annoying right now. If we break this 90 level and then try to get this move down, let's see if we can get the bear flag break to the downside here. Kind of getting stuck right now at that 21 EMA as well. Trying to lose that 90 support. Nope. Crazy, crazy, crazy. $15-minute range, just holding up here, baby. Yippee, yippee, ki-yay. ES, everything wants to go down. Nasdaq just does not want to move. 15-minute chart, we're sitting at the bottom of that last 15-minute candle right now. So it's like we're looking for continuation through here. Is it possible? Get like a 30, 50 point move to the downside through the 80s, but pivot point, the overnight low down there at the 130s, pivot point down there at 21,100s. All at once, it's so bad. 79, that low down there. Oh, it's primed. Oh my God, it wants to go so bad. No. Check out the 79s. Right back up. I gotta go pee so bad, but I feel like the moment that I go pee, this range is gonna break and we're gonna get a 100-point move and I'm gonna miss out on the fucking move. I gotta pee so bad. Literally, if I just gotta go pee so bad. Been having to go pee since like market open, actually. It was a bad idea. I drink too much water in the morning. Gotta stop drinking so much water. Got that water. Oh, come on, NASDAQ. You are such a little bitch. I don't even understand this. It's rigged. The market makers are watching the live stream. They know. They know. You could have peed and already come back. Maybe. I didn't know it wasn't going. Maybe it goes up. This market's got a terminal issue here. Terminal issues. It's going through the 70s. It's happening. Finally moving. Like I said, through the 80s, now down there into the 70s. But don't get too excited, because you know what's gonna happen next. Now they're gonna rip it back up and say ha 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 ha. JK. JK. Oh my lord. Look at this thing. JK. Still got that overnight low down there at the 130s. I mean, that would be the level to target here for this short, but one-hour chart broke down there. We still have not taken out that overnight low down there. I gotta go pee so fucking bad. Wow, look at that. It went nowhere. Nasdaq still just holding down here at the lows. Right back up again. Oh, Lord. Kind of looks like it wants to push back up here now. That 21 EMA is up there, the 94s. VWAP's all the way up there, the above the 200s right now. Little bear flag forming here. I feel like we kind of need to tap that, possibly tap that 21 EMA up there, the 94, 95 area. Well, that's kind of what we were looking for. Dude. Well, good thing we didn't get a short at the bottom. Pushing right back up there now to the VWAP. Gotta love that shit. Isn't it fun? Trading is so much fun, people. VWAP up there, 207s. Market push back up there to that 21 EMA now. Will it find resistance right there at the VWAP again, or do we kind of do something else? Let's find out. I think if we get back kind of like through this 80 level again, we can make a new low and then try to move down to that overnight low down there at the 30s, be the target. But ES is again trying to make a new low. ES bear flag looking a little bit better than the NASDAQ bear flag, but take out this 80 level again here. Well, moving down. Down there into the 70s now. Looking to see if we can go a little deeper here. A little deeper. That's 65 area. Just wants to at least get taken out. $65 getting tested right there. That was that previous low area. I'd say the overall trend is lower here, obviously, but Nasdaq doesn't want to take a straight line route down to those lows, I guess. The overnight lows, at least. That 130, I don't see how we don't take out that 130 area there. Bitcoin chopping around, Nasdaq chopping around. Getting wicked out there at the 80s now, just kind of 80s turning into resistance there. The Dow is really dumping. Nasdaq and the ES are kind of just holding up right now. My hair. Getting crazy. You know, it's been a long morning when your hair looks like this. When your hair looks like this, it's not good, boys. Someone in the chat just said 10 seconds waterfall. Waterfall up or down? Which way are we going? 10 seconds. Another little bear flag setting up here. It's not like super clean. Double bottom down there again. Ten-second waterfall. All right, following the trend of hitting that 21 EMA, will we kind of move down through this low once again? Nvidia trying to push up right now. Nvidia bouncing off the VWAP, I see that. Yes, yes, yes. Today, fading the chat. Is the 15-minute chart, the range still in play? Yes, sir. That's our resistance right now. Got that 15-minute resistance, the 15-minute opening range acting as a resistance. Let's see if these shorts take out this low here. That 130 area just kind of sitting down there, you know? This music right now is it's so perfect for the situation that we're in here. So perfect. Look at the 1 hour. Look at it. Looks good. Stubborn, very stubborn down here. Nasdaq just being real stubborn, boys. Nvidia just kind of holding the whole market up, I think. I don't know. Both Nvidia, ES, everything kind of squeezing here. Or trying to push back up through that 21 EMA now. Again, denied right there, that 20, dude, look at the ES right now. The ES is just, it just can't get above the 21 EMA to save its life. Trying to push. Oh, God. VWAP 206 level for the Nasdaq here. EMA denying it once again. Oh, there we're getting some sellers. Down there into the 60s. Something's moving the market. Don't do that. Keep it going. Can it go through the 60s here? Oh, Lord. I thought we would get some kind of continuation through here. JK. That overnight low. The ES just dumped. Down there to the 160s. The overnight low is 131. I mean, I don't want to tell you it's 100% fact that it's going to go there, but I don't see how we don't go there now. You know? Know what I mean? How do we not go down there at this point? Bro. I don't understand how this market is doing this. Overnight low, 132. It wants it. Learn ICT concepts and I'll figure it out. Okay. That's a good idea. The only problem with that is I'm not fucking retarded. Only people that learn ICT concepts are people that are retarded because they believe in a guy that says that God taught him how to day trade and the market makers kidnapped him and aliens raped his butthole. And the reason that he doesn't trade real money is because he's not allowed to and blah, blah, blah. Shut the fuck up. ICT's my mentor. Well, are you fucking retarded? That's all you have to, that's all I have to say anymore to people. I'm like, oh, when you say ICT's your mentor, oh, okay. So you're retarded. It's cool. Bull flag, sorry, bear flag setting up here. We were looking for that 130 area down there, right? 130. 130. Patrick, aren't you tired speaking about that guy? No. It's why would I get tired? You think my brain can't handle the idea of talking about a retard? Oh, but it hurts. Oh, my brain hurts. Oh my God, I can't. I'm so tired of talking about it. I'm so tired. I can't be any more tired. Give us this move, NASDAQ, for this is our daily bread. We shall receive. Down there to the 55s. Do 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 do. Oh Lord. Break to the 55s here, you little cunts. You little cunt. Well, the objective is clear. Nasdaq following the trend. 21 EMA, even though it just it's every time I get close to that 21 EMA, getting that reaction, getting that next little leg down, it's kind of just grinding its way on down. Just grinding. He's just grinding here. For the people in the chat that think that I only trade demo, well, PA 87,000. I think that's how much? 80. It's a demo account. Look, it's still going lower. Took the short here from the 77s, covered into this. Thought we'd get one more little short through the 58s. Took it off, so. It is what it is. Not my best day ever. Not my best day ever. That's for sure, so. Hard to make money in this type of action, to be honest. Almost 12 o'clock. I've been trading a lot longer than I normally would. You can see how the 15-minute range ended up acting as a resistance here for this short opportunity at open there, basically. The opening range turning into resistance there, and looks like the market wants that 130 area. Will she get there? The $1 million question, baby. She's working her way down, being stubborn, but she ain't going higher, that's for sure. Or at least not making new highs. She's making new lows. Down there to the 45s now. Now I kind of want to see if we're going to hit that 30 area just because I talked so much about it. Will I be right with my ideas? Needs more waterfall. We need more waterfall. 10 seconds. More waterfall. Come on, boys. Give me that 130 area here. Dollar's going straight up. The NASDAQ wants the 30s. Give me the 30s, boys. That overnight low sitting down there just waiting to get touched. I'm fully confident that it's gonna get hit. I'm fully confident. JK. Not fully confident. I'm no longer fully confident. Obviously, this is not financial advice by any means, but I think she can. I think she can. I think she can. I think she can. This is a classic ICT long. Uh-oh. Right here, get long. Classic. Okay, I'm all in. I knew it. ICT's always right. Classic. Classic. Holy fuck. That was pretty funny, actually. How did it just go up 30 points right there? Classic ICT long, dude. You gotta admit that was pretty funny, actually. ICT's everywhere. He's everywhere. He sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're awake. He comes down your chimney and he puts his fair value gap on your face. Oh, you better not look. You better not cry. 'Cause ICT's coming to town and he's gonna find you and play with your fair value gap. Well, luckily for me, oh my God, bro. Bro. It's Christmas time, ICT. This candle is absolutely insane right now. Like, it's actually insane. I don't even understand this candle right now. What is happening? ICT was right. Yes. He was, God taught him how to, guys, how would I ever beat the man that God taught to trade? You know? I don't even know. I don't even know. I don't even know. When you think about it, you know, it's like, how would I ever, how would it be possible? It wouldn't. It would not be real. When you think about it. The man has God on his side, and he pushes, and he pushes.
The point of day trading is to make money. I know he's pretty dumb, but I think he's confused and insane. Now we're friends.
Listen,
bro, what is happening right now?
That's when I come and contact you, you tell them exactly what my account's sitting at. And I sat there and I pushed. And I sat there, pushed. And I fucking laid and pushed. And I sat there, pushed.
Going down hard.
Pushed.
Oh my God.
Little
Push. And I pushed. And I pushed. Push. So much higher.
Don't worry, guys.
Take me higher.
I got this.
Much higher.
Don't worry, guys. I know exactly how to make the market go winner, chicken dinner. It's hard to day trade. It's easy to sell, of course. Winner, chicken dinner.
This is the best song on the internet right now. The hottest song on Spotify, played by millions. That's right. Drop down. All right, NASDAQ, push right back up there to the 190, 200 kind of area. Push. It'd be funny now if they just reverse it all the way back down again. Just to fuck with everybody, you know? It's called The Vertigo Man. Vertigo Man on Spotify. Play it around the world. Let's get that thing trending. Vertigo Man. Vertigo. He's got vertigo. What can we say? I feel bad. I've never had vertigo, but I would imagine it's not fun. Like not knowing which way's up and which way's down. Whoa, which way? That's why it's hard to trade, because he doesn't know what's up and what's down. He's got the vertigo. All right, that was fun. So there it is. I'm out of here. Thanks for watching. We'll be back tomorrow morning for another, hopefully, CPI report tomorrow morning. So we should, fingers crossed. Let's cross our fingers that we get a nice move tomorrow. We need it. I'm tired. My fucking brain right now is literally exhausted because I've been looking at these charts, trying to figure out what's going to happen next. But that's just how it goes sometimes. Trading, baby. And I'm going to walk away green. So I'll see you guys on the flip side. Peace of the middle.